Hey, what's going on YouTube? Just ran into a minor problem today when I was working on I had needed to tighten the tracks, and so I had to lengthen the bolt inside of the idler shaft to give more spring tension. And in the meantime, this screw right here that holds the idler captive, and so it doesn't come out, and it also notches into, let me show you here, it notches into this notch right here, and that's what keeps it, catches on that flange to keep it pulling out, and then that screw rides in that knot. The screw that's in there rides inside this notch to keep it from twisting when you're operating. The problem is when I went and tightened this screw all the way back down, it was actually pinning this thing in there. It was too long. This screw was a 10mm screw to start off with, and I ground it down to 7.5mm, and at 7.5mm you can then go ahead and tighten this screw all the way down, and it doesn't pinch this thing in the bore. I was having a heck of a time trying to reassemble it and figure out what the heck was going on, and then realized that screw was too long and it was hitting above there. You can actually see the thread marks. So anyways, I shaved that screw down to 7.5mm, and then you can see the adjustment. I screwed the shaft out quite a bit just so that I can get some more spring tension. Let me show you a measurement of what I got right there. So that ended up being, sorry, I'm trying to do this with one hand and not easy. So let's see here. I think it's 5/8. Yeah, so I ended up setting her at 5/8 for that distance right there. So I'll let you know how it goes. But anyways, yeah, just so you're aware, if you tighten screws down completely, if you tighten that one down, and now I have seen different length screws on this machine. Sometimes they use an inappropriate screw, so maybe the other side will be different. Maybe just this side's too long. But anyways, that's the story. Let me know if you have any questions. Yellow Iron Cowboy RC Scale Construction actually has an in-depth video of tightening these, so I'm not gonna redo that. I just ran into, like I said, that problem where the screw, when tightened all the way, it pinches that idler shaft. So anyways, have a great day. Talk to you later.